Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today a bit of a different video. So let me explain you. The lovely Di from Australia, she purchased my latest kit, which is called Floral Denim. Sure it's Floral Denim. Yes, sure it's Floral Denim. And in the kit, basically, I'll show you. So just going a quick flick through is the one this way when you get. It's basically a kit that literally launched last 2 weeks ago when there's a lot of floral and there's a lot of denim. So very springy digital papers, very very vintagey. So there's a lot of lace. There's one with the hats, little page with a dog. Got a couple of backgrounds and a full background with the daisies. So in the page, in the paper pack, there is a page, which is this one here, with the gift box, milk carton gift box. So these, when it's done up, looks like this. Okay. So let me show you how to put it together. I'm very sorry, I didn't even think to do a video showcasing how you put this together. So once you've literally fussy cut it, so it looks like this. So what you need a stylo or something that will make you, it is easier if you actually get a little ruler and score all these lines, because at mine, can you hear it? I printed on a very thick cardstock. So, and this milk carton, I'll show you when we put it up. You got a couple of options to close it. You can either glue it, and then the person that received the gift is got to rip it open, or you just put a little peg. So I'm just literally going over all the lines and do a little pressure. Let's go. Oh. So that's do this first, and then the triangle. And the idea when I designed these milk carton boxes, I want for you guys to have something that is there, and when you need it, you just print it and you put it together. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say. So very simple gift boxes that you can print it ahead in a thicker cardstock, leave it on a plastic wallet or envelope or whatever, and then do it up when you need it. So now I'm just gonna go all over. I'm not gonna use a bone folder or anything. I'm just going to do it with my thumbs. So that's the base. So the bottom bit, those two here and these little tabs, they are the base of the box. That one. Okay, so that's the base. That will be the front, and then we're going to fold the second score line in the valet fold, so it's folding backwards. Okay, so it's like this, and then the triangle, this is when it gets a little fiddling, because you want your triangle to be folded on the opposite side, so like this, for instance. So I do one, so you fold it like that, and that. Okay, so once you literally fold and banish everything, the only thing you need to glue are those two little pieces here, which I'm going to use my double side tape for quickness. You can use glue, but then you got to wait. So I don't want to wait. I'm very sorry, I didn't even think to do a video showcase how to put it together. And then we will put the glue on the bottom in just a second. So if you start from the side, so when we just put, oopsie, my microphone just fell off. And I just done that. Apologies, that is awful. So when we just put the two adhesive there, we're going to fold it like that, peel them off. This is why I'm very clumsy person. I trip over everything, I fell over everything, and everything I touch. What does it say? It's like having terracotta hands. No, not terracotta hands. There is a way of saying it. It's not coming up in my head now. And then you simply fold the other side there, so you get this sort of shape. Okay, so what we just put the tab is attached together. Now with the base, it's completely up to you. Now, if this is the front, if this is the back, this will be the front. Okay, so I will probably do something like that. It doesn't really matter. You pick which one you want to be your end. This is a bit prettier, I guess. So we're just going to put a little bit of tape on the two tabs. And to the other side. And a very big one, which one we're saying here, we're going to put in here. So everything stays together. Okay, so I start with the side tabs. Ooh. One. I'm trying to rush, and I shouldn't really be rushing. And so put like that. So one tab down, the other one too. Just gonna peel backing paper there and there. Okay, so that's that. Then I put the first square on top. So this is very reinforced because it's like 4 layers of cardstock. So you can put something that is very heavy because it will stay together. And then that's the base done. Okay, so far that's what it looks like. So when is the triangle there? So you've got triangle here and then triangle on there. With your thumbs, pinch it so it goes like this. So you see, because when we fold the triangle, we fold it inwards. The paper fiber instantly will tend to go this way. So pinch it like that. Okay, and then you have your milk carton box. So if you want to close it, let me show you. In fact, let's close it. If you want to close it. Oh, in fact. Oh no. I thought I had a paper clip, like a paper clip. No, I haven't. What I have, I've got some of these pegs, wooden pegs. You just put it like that, and that is your milk carton box. Okay, I hope it was clear, and I'm very sorry I did not even think to do a video like that. So yes, Diane, I hope it was helpful and to all of you guys. And this is how you put it together, and it's super cute. Guys, I will see you on Friday for another Friday freebie. Thumbs up if you like my videos. It really tells YouTube how much you like my content. Really appreciate it. If you want to check it out, I will put the link of Floral Denim in the info box, and you can have all the papers and this cute gift box. I think it's quite nice for weddings, actually. You can decorate it, you can put like a little embellishment, you can do anything you want. This is cute for like baby shower or things like that. I don't know. It's got a lot of uses, I guess. It's fairly big. It's 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5. So it's yeah, it's a fairly big box. I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah. Big kisses and hugs to every single one of you. And until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.